Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, providing valuable insights into the soil and rock conditions of a site. Noida, a fast-growing city in India, is no exception to the need for geotechnical services. In Noida, geotechnical services are essential for ensuring the safety and stability of buildings and infrastructure projects. These services involve conducting thorough investigations and assessments of the soil and rock properties, as well as providing recommendations for foundation design and construction techniques. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Noida is soil testing. This process involves collecting soil samples from different depths and locations on the site and analyzing them in a laboratory. By studying the soil's physical and mechanical properties, geotechnical engineers can determine its bearing capacity, settlement potential, and other characteristics that are crucial for designing safe and stable foundations. Soil testing also helps identify any potential hazards, such as expansive soils or liquefaction-prone areas, which could pose risks to structures. In addition to soil testing, geotechnical services in Noida also include slope stability analysis. This is particularly important in hilly areas or locations with steep slopes, where landslides or slope failures can occur. Geotechnical engineers assess the stability of slopes by analyzing factors such as slope geometry, soil properties, groundwater conditions, and external forces acting on the slope. With this information, they can design appropriate measures to prevent slope failures or mitigate their consequences. Another aspect of geotechnical services in Noida is foundation design. Foundations are critical components of any structure, as they transmit the load from the superstructure to the underlying soil or rock. Insightful information about the soil and rock conditions of a site is provided by geotechnical services, which are vital to the construction industry. Indian metropolis Noida, which is rapidly expanding, is not an exception to the demand for geotechnical services. Geotechnical services are crucial in Noida for guaranteeing the stability and safety of construction projects and infrastructure. These services include carrying out exhaustive analyses of the qualities of the soil and rock and making recommendations for foundation design and building methods. Soil testing is a crucial component of geotechnical services in Noida. In this procedure, soil samples are taken from various depths and points on the site, and they are then examined in a lab. Geotechnical engineers can ascertain the soil's carrying capacity, settlement potential, and other qualities that are essential for creating secure foundations by examining its physical and mechanical properties. Additionally, soil testing assists in locating any potential dangers that can endanger structures, such as expansive